Yeah. Yo. Y'all hearing this shit right now? It must have turned out all right. Ah, so I'm talking. Um, I don't know. I'm just even somewhat usable. I'll be able to, kind of justify being able to buy and have something to actually be able to have some quality. Say how janky this is. Shit, I guess you don't need to have the fucking latest and greatest every fucking thing. I mean, just fucking do it. Get out there. Everybody talks about it. Nobody ever wants to do it. On the back roads. Yeah. Beautiful Memorial Day morning. I don't know what I got going on today. Probably not going to do a damn thing, to be honest. Off work, enjoying it. I woke up this morning feeling motivated to make a video, try to do something, I don't know. You know that it's Saturday, next Saturday, this weekend. There's going to be a bikes and coffee out of town I'm going to make, or try to make hopefully, and hopefully be able to do something out there. I know that it's not too far away from some roads. Obviously, I don't know any of the roads around there, but maybe be able to get into a ride with a couple other guys and maybe make a couple pals or something. I don't know. I actually haven't been out of town on my bike since I bought my bike. And so that's been almost a year now. And, not for really any real reason, but I mean, just going out of town is just kind of a deal, especially when I'm not super comfortable going. I guess I can't even say wow. It just, you gotta put your foot in the water, put your big boy pants on. People do it every freaking day. See them going down the road every freaking day. So, yeah. I'll give her a shot. Hopefully, I'll be able to see something cool. At a bike dealership, so, look at some stuff, do some tire kicking. How many miles going to be costing 5,000? And I'm just trying to put some miles on it, man. That's why I wanted to get this bike for my first bike. I didn't want to get something that was, I don't want to say raggedy, something I wanted to be able to. When I want to get on my bike and ride, I want to get on my bike and ride. I don't want to sit. Oh, well, I hope it's going to start. And, am I going to be able to make it back home? Can I reliably go somewhere and not have to worry about breaking down? I worry about breaking down on anything and anything I'm in. So that's just always going to be on me. But, I'm comfortable with this bike. I don't beat on it. I ride it real hard sometimes, but I mean, it is what it is. You can't. You don't buy a sports bike to not be sporty. It just makes sense. I'm not complaining about, I can go 180 miles an hour on my fucking MT-07, 50, whatever. That's not what this bike is for. I'm sitting there casually cruising 50 miles an hour. Nothing, I'm comfortable. I don't worry about, radio checks. Cool. Slow down. Goats. It's not a high maintenance bike. Man, you just get on. That's cool too. It's a semi-aggressive seating position, and it's a, it's a naked street bike, man. That's just what it is, man. It's just a street bike. Yeah, I would really like to be able to get onto R1 or something, man. Even just being able to get to ride one, kind of get my taste for the thousands. It would be really cool. I'm not honestly this diehard Yamaha. This is just my brand. I love it. That's the reason I bought the MT-07 is just. This thing just sounds fucking wicked, bro. I got a fucking 2-cylinder 700, bro. This thing is just fucking wicked. I'm sorry. I have a fucking touring bike. It's not a touring bike, but you can make it for it. Fucking take the garden snake. He's one of the reasons I'm even having a fucking camera on my face right now. He turned his fucking MT-07 into a fucking dirt bike. And he's not the only one. There's been plenty of other people that have just took this platform and just turned it into something so cool. And it's such a good platform. And eventually, maybe one day I'll be able to get into actually doing some wheelies and being able to actually kind of play with the bike a little bit. Right now, I just want to keep it nice. There's no reason to trash something right now, especially being that it's my only bike. Later down the line, if I ever decide, hey, I want to step up and get a different bike, then I could do that. But man, right now this bike is just all I really need. It's fucking gangster. Yeah, you don't get that on that fucking bird shit, bro. See, this is what I'm talking about. I can't have fucking shit nice. Yeah, you ain't getting that on no Ninja 400, son. I'm just telling you that. Even the R7s. I haven't ever rode an R7, but being that it's pretty much the same frame, man. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if I'd rather have that or this. This is such a comfortable bike. It's really, it's so practical. That's what I tell anybody that I'm talking to about it. It's such a practical bike, man. I can get on this bike. I can ride it to work in the morning. I can go get lunch. I can go ride around, hit the back roads after work. And I can keep up with anybody that's doing it because you don't need 200 horsepower and twisties. You don't need top end power at 16.5 on the cruising stop red light traffic. Yes, it is awesome on the highway being able to stretch it out. Yes, I get it. But for really daily commuting and daily riding, man, this bike is so fucking practical. It's such a approachable bike for a beginner to get onto, but then even my dad that's been riding well over 40 plus years now, and still can get on it, he's impressed. He's impressed with this how know, it doesn't have anything extra that you don't need. I mean, it has ABS. It's more than, you know, any of the early 2000s, 99, you know, 90s bikes had. So, you know, it's a super technical bike, but then in the same fashion, it's so simple, it's so laid out where you get to change the oil, okay. There's your oil, you know, your drain oil and your oil filter. You know, you need to pull your seat off and change the battery, there's your battery. You know, when I put the exhaust on, I've got the ECU tube. You know, I have to take off all the plastic and all that. Simple. It's so easy to work with. You know, that's just something that, you know, you're not going to get on a full bearing sport bike. On the bikes every day. And I mean, it's a proven bike. If you want longevity, I mean, I've seen people doing 50,000 plus miles on the MT-07. And now I've seen people doing the intercontinental stretches of stuff. And on a near 700. And hell, I think he had over 100,000 miles on his, I think. I mean, it's I don't have the number right off the top of my head, but I mean, it was an impressive amount of number that, I mean, any motorcycle would have had to have some kind of major maintenance in between those intervals. And, you know, I mean, I think he was saying tires and oil changes, and that, you know, you just kept going, man. The clutches on these bikes apparently are an issue. I do, like I said, I don't beat on my bike. I try not to wheelie it a lot. And, you know, that way I don't have to do any kind of clutch things. But if I do have to end up changing the clutches, so be it. But I've heard on the 24 model MTs, and I think even some of the 23s that I guess they're getting put back under factory warranty. I mean, sub 1,000 miles for clutch issues. You know, there's no telling. There's no telling what really the issue is. You know, people could be ragging on these fucking bikes this day they get them, and then that's just what it is. They fuck their shit up, trying to do wheelies, try to do, you know, crazy ass shit. I don't know, man. I really don't. Yeah. It's fucking light. Fucking run it. Think we're gonna give it a little pull. I tell y'all, this is probably my favorite fucking thing to do. Hopefully there ain't no cuts. The fucking smell of death is killing me, man. Everywhere I'm going, it just smells like hot death. The other night when I was on my way home, where all the oil spill stuff was, I ran into a guy that fucking ran into a deer. Fucked this shit up. I fucked my truck up, maybe not 5 miles down this same road a couple months ago by deer. You know, they're just fucking, it's stupid, you know. Even on a bike, I'm scared at night to go around corners because I don't know what the fuck's gonna jump out at me, you know. Everything's just fucking dead. I don't get it. I don't want to know why. Get it out of my face. What did I do? Better not be no fucking buttered sausage, but I don't know who put it there. But get it out of my face. I don't want no buttered sausage, man. Like I said, I'm trying to make the bison coffee this weekend, so I'm trying to. I'll be sure and try to get some shit recorded for that. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and take her easy, bitch.